Here's how to create a custom Harry Potter ringtone on iOS. First, you gotta find your sound. If you wanna use mine, go to this URL and download the sound. Click right here to download it. Click download. If you have Google Drive installed, it'll open in there, but you do have it in files and you can search that and it's right there. Next thing is you gotta open GarageBand. It's free. If you don't have it, download it. You might have to turn your phone sideways for this. Click create song. Now it doesn't really matter what audio you choose because you're gonna be using a loop anyway. So click this button to show the tracks, then this button to add a loop. And then you're gonna go to files and you can search for it, but it's not there because you haven't added it from your files yet. So click on browse items from the file app, then click and drag and add it on there. Now you can hit play to make sure it's working. If you hear the metronome, it's okay. The metronome is only in GarageBand. Now we need to save this. So let's click the drop down button right here, and then we can rename it or we can just share it right now to a ringtone. So click and hold, and then scroll down to share. And then you'll notice bada bing, bada boom, middle option is ringtone. So pick ringtone, and then you can rename it here, and then you export it as a ringtone, and then you can click use sound as right there to set it as a ringtone or as a text tone or standard contact. I'm gonna set it to text tone because I haven't done that yet. And then if you forget to do that right there, you can always go to the settings app and search for ringtones, and then set it from the list of ringtones because it'll be there. And it's awesome. Happy Harry Potter month.